So here's how to trim long video for TikTok with AI. And by the way, you can click on the link below to try out Opus Clip for free, which is in the description down below. So now once you click on the link, it will redirect you over here, and right away you will have an option here to drop a video link. And from here, as you can see, they support YouTube link, Google Drive link, Vimeo, Zoom, Rumble, Twitch, Facebook, LinkedIn, Twitter, and Dropbox. So from here, guys, just simply go ahead and provide the link of your video. So for this specific video, I'm going to be using a YouTube video like this one. I'm just going to copy the link over here. And after that, just simply drop the video link over here and click on get free clips. And now from here, you can just simply continue with Google or continue with Facebook or just simply continue with your email address over here and just simply log in into your account. Now, once you are logged in, just simply go ahead and click on get clips in one click over here. And after that, guys, if you scroll down, you should be able to see here your project. And after that, once it is done, you can just simply go ahead and click on it, guys. And after that, automatically, you will have here multiple clips that you can choose from. And from here, Opus Pro will do the job for you, which an AI will make short clips for your video link that you provided. And as you can see, if you want to edit the video, you can just simply click on edit clip over here, guys, on the right side. And from here, you can edit your video. You can add transitions here on the left side of the screen, which you can be more specific. So I'm going to click on fade in, let's say. And as you can see, you will have this block and you will have a fade in transition. So on the right side, you will have here an option to have the clip layout settings. So from here, you will have multiple options as well based on your preferences. And now let's close this one and let's open up the captions over here. And as you can see, you can select a preset over here, which you will have multiple options, and you will have here more options to edit out your captions, and this will be depending on you. And as you can see, it is a very detailed one. And now let's close this tab, and from here you will have an AI keywords highlighter as well, so you can change the color. So you will have two colors for this video. We have yellow and green. And once you are done, just simply click on save changes over here, and as you can see, it will load up. And once the video is available, you can just simply go ahead and download the HD version, as you can see over here. And since this one is loading up, I won't be able to download it, but if you do, you should be able to download the video over here. There you go. If this video was helpful, please like and subscribe, and thanks for watching.